Hey there! Welcome to Chapter 9, Using Date and Time Functions. This chapter is all about harnessing the power of Excel to simplify your work with dates and times. Whether you're managing schedules, tracking deadlines, or analyzing timelines, these functions will save you time and improve your efficiency. We'll start by exploring the basics of working with dates. You'll learn how to use essential functions like date, today, and now to dynamically capture and manipulate dates in your worksheets. We'll also cover breaking down dates into their components, day, month, and year, using specialized functions. And when it comes to planning or scheduling, we'll show you how to calculate working days with Workday and Workday.intl functions. But Excel doesn't stop at dates. It also excels with times. We'll guide you through entering times, performing time-based calculations, and using functions like time to manipulate time values effectively. Imagine creating precise schedules, tracking durations, or calculating time differences, all in just a few steps. This chapter is packed with real-world examples to help you see how these functions can be applied in your work. From calculating the number of business days between two dates, to creating schedules that skip weekends and holidays, you'll see the possibilities unfold. By the end of this chapter, you'll not only understand the ins and outs of Excel's date and time functions, but you'll also be able to use them confidently in your own projects. Ready to enhance your skills and save time in the process? Let's dive into Chapter 9 and get started.